Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamaria Lakay and I go by Tamaria Lakay on all of my social media handles. Today we're going to be diving into some energy from the tarot cards. I'm going to just be rolling the dice to see which zodiac sign we will be reading today. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of an explanation and tell you how I'm going to read my cards. We have two dice. We have one that has the zodiac signs and then we have one that has numbers. So we'll roll both of them together and then whatever number pops up on the dice is how many times we'll go ahead and shuffle the energy of the cards. And then we're just going to do a simple general reading. So we're going to lay out 3 cards and we're just going to start reading the energy of the cards one by one. What you need to do is just go ahead and take what resonates with you and leave the rest behind. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into this reading. Divine, who do we have as... Okay, Divine, who do we have a message for today? Who do we have a message for? Let me roll them together. Okay, Divine, who do we have a message for today? All right, so we have Sagittarius and we have 5 shuffles. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. All right, so at the end of the reading, I also want to go ahead and pull 1 card from our Mindful Collection Daily Affirmation deck, just to kind of give you something positive to leave off on for the end of the reading. All right, so let's just go ahead and jump into this really quick. All right, so the first card we have is the 8 of Cups. All right, so the 8 of Cups. All right, so the energy from this card, Sagittarius, is that you have built something that no longer serves you. It's still full of potential. It's still full of prosperity. It's still full of a lot of things. You've built this from the ground up. But there's 1 cup missing right here, which means that you still have potential to build so much more. And basically the person in the red walking away has decided to leave what they have built and go ahead and start a new journey in order to build something else. So this could be you walking away from a job, a relationship, any type of situation within your life to where it's like you've done the best that you could. You've put in all the hard work that you need to put into to create something sturdy and foundational, and now it's just like, okay, I have to let this go. You could have been overworking yourself in a sense to where it was like, I need to go ahead and just go ahead and call it quits. I've done enough with my time and my energy to where it's like I can let this project rest, let this person rest, let this situation rest, and just move on so that I can not only build something new, but build something new within myself. Like a higher spiritual awareness, a higher mental awareness, a higher level of health. It doesn't necessarily have to be finances or relationship. You could just be wanting to elevate in general as a person. So in order to do that, you have to leave the current situation, whatever that may be, behind and just move in a new direction. Hold on one second. My camera's about to die, so I need to change the battery. All right, so that's what we have here with the 8 of Cups. All right, so starting a new adventure, leaving what was behind. Let's see what we have here on this particular card for you. All right, so right here we have the Fool card. If you can see the number on the top of it, it's 0. So with the Fool card, you see this person who is on the edge of a cliff, ready to leap into a new adventure. So this pretty much resonates with the first card. You are ready to start something new. You are ready for a new beginning. You are ready to take the experiences that you've gained into a new direction. You're ready to take the experiences, yet you will not let the experiences that you have knowledge of control you. So just remember that as you're creating this new journey that you're going on to be your most authentic self, don't let anything from the past, the present, or the future deter you away from being your most authentic self as you're getting ready to start this new journey. Stay as pure as you can with your intentions as you go on this new journey. Don't be afraid of change, embrace it. And yeah, Sagittarius, let's see what the last card is giving you. All right, so the last card is the 8, or the Strength card, should we say. It's the Strength card. All right, so Sagittarius, what it's telling me with this card is that you have done some inner work on yourself. You faced your ego, you faced a lot of your fears, you faced a lot of your emotions, and you are allowing them to come to the surface, but you're handling them with a certain aspect of grace. You're not being harsh on yourself. You're not being furious with the things that are coming up that you have to handle. You are experiencing all of these complications that are coming up internally, and you're dealing with them in a way of love, a way of understanding, a way of balance. Although the lion is symbolizing all of the fears and all of the things that try to control you, you're just being calm with those things, and you're facing the challenges with grace. So it looks like we have done some inner work, and we're ready to start a new beginning. And we realize that we will be leaving something behind that has been rewarding, but it's just time for something new. So that's pretty much the energy that I have for the 3 cards that I pulled from you, that I pulled for you, Sagittarius. So let's just go ahead and pull an affirmation card. It's like you're handling problems with grace and dignity. So whatever you're walking away from, you're finding strength from it. You're ready for the new beginning. And you're taking everything that you've learned from what you've currently built, and you're going to use that to better yourself in the future. So let's see what the card says. All right, so your affirmation card says, I am already abundant beyond measures. I am already abundant beyond measures, or beyond measure. I am already abundant beyond measure. All right, Sagittarius, so that is what I have for you. If anything resonated for you in the message, be sure to go ahead and leave this video a like. Also subscribe so that you don't miss any of the future videos. Also by hitting the notification bell so that you get notified each and every time that I do release a video. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.